Today, I'm going to discuss 4 seriously underrated side hustles that are practically a gold mine waiting to be discovered. We are talking about the potential to earn a jaw-dropping $1,000 or more per day. Yes, you heard it right, $1,000. And here's the kicker. You don't need any special skills to get started. All you've got to do is pick one of these brilliant ideas and put it into action. You are in for a treat. Did you know that on average every American tosses nearly 5 pounds of trash daily? Yep, that's a whole lot of waste. Now, here's the thing. All that discarded stuff ends up in your trusty trash cans. Sure, the garbage truck eventually comes to haul it away, but here's the kicker. Even after the trash has been collected, there's often some unpleasant residue left behind. We are talking about the dreaded gunk and smelly garbage juice, a perfect invitation for uninvited guests like cockroaches, ants, rats, possums, and a whole parade of other rodents and pests. And guess what? We might just decide to take a detour and find their way into your living room. Believe it or not, there's a hidden opportunity here that can fatten your wallet. Many folks out there are more than willing to pour some serious cash to have their trash cans pressure washed regularly. We are talking about a monthly scrub down or even a weekly spruce up. It's a service in demand and people are willing to pay for it. Another fantastic aspect of this service is its potential for a domino effect. Pressure washing is the kind of business where satisfying one customer can lead to several more. As you are out there cleaning, your hard work won't go unnoticed. Other homeowners on the same street are likely to witness the transformation and think, well, if my neighbor is getting their trash cans cleaned, I better do it too. It's like a friendly competition of cleanliness, and that's great news for your growing pressure washing business. More so, the best part of power washing is the very minimum upfront cost. You see, it's only the equipment expense you will have. Once you cover that equipment bill, you are in the clear. No recurring costs except for labor if you expand. It's a low-risk, high-reward game. And for the equipment, you don't need to break the bank on a pricey pressure washer. Not at all. You can get the job done with a battery-powered pressure washer that will set you back anywhere from just $70 to $150. Yep, you heard me right. But hold your horses, we are not done yet. You want a pressure washer that's got a soap attachment. This little gizmo lets you coat those trash cans in soap before giving them a high pressure treatment. Now, when it comes to the soap, you've got 2 options. You can grab a cheap solution from your local hardware store or snag one from Amazon. Or here's a pro tip. Mix up some watered down Dawn dish soap. It works like a charm. If you want to keep things separate, you can also pick up an affordable sprayer at your neighborhood Walmart or any old hardware store. Alright, time to spread the word about your power washing prowess. We are talking free promotion, folks. First up, hit up your local Facebook groups. Then, don't forget about good old Craigslist. It's a goldmine for connecting with potential clients. And here's another gem, Nextdoor. These platforms won't cost you a dime to post on, and trust me, it's worth every click. Another incredible side hustle that is highly rewarding, but it's out of everyone's sight. Door hanging flyers. Yep, physical ones. These flyers can seriously up your game, and they are very easy to create. You can snag a bunch of these flyers on sites like Vistaprint. I'm talking bulk deals that won't burn a hole in your pocket. For instance, you can grab 1,000 of these door hangers for just 11 cents each. That's $100 for 1,000 flyers. But wait, there's more. If you're just dipping your toes in the power washing pool, you can start with as few as 50 flyers for about 80 cents each. But let's be real, the more you buy, the better the deal. Now, when it comes to crafting your flyer, keep it sweet and simple, just like this example right here. When you add up the cost of your pressure washer and those attention-grabbing flyers, you're looking at investment of anywhere between $100 to $300. Now, I know what you are thinking. That's chump change, considering the cash flow this side gig can bring in. So, for a small upfront cost, you're well on your way to some serious cash in your pocket. Now, let me spill the beans on another side hustle that's both rewarding and seriously underrated, selling artworks. Whether you are crafting custom pieces for clients or offering up one-of-a-kind creations that flaunt your unique style, this gig can be money spinner while putting your talents in the spotlight. But here's the real kicker. You don't have to go through the hassle of producing those large canvas paintings or dealing with shipping headaches. Nope, not at all. Your main gig is to create those artworks. Once your masterpiece is ready to shine, you simply upload it to Printify. Before, you need to connect your Printify account to platforms like Etsy. Every time someone falls in love with your art and hits that buy button for one of these canvas paintings, you can sit back and relax. Why? Because the manufacturing, printing, and shipping, it's all done by Printify. Some of you might be thinking, I can't whip up original artwork, so this isn't for me. Hold that thought, because I've got some exciting news. Lately, I've been noticing these Instagram ads for motivational canvases. They are not intricate masterpieces. They are simple yet powerful. Think inspirational quotes or impactful words followed by their definitions. The thing is, you don't need to be the next Picasso to make this side hustle sing. Motivational quotes, remixes of famous icons, or using public domain artwork. These are all winning strategies that have been tried and tested time and time again. So, creativity can take many forms and you can turn it into cold, hard cash. If not, you can head over to websites like Pexels and Splash.com, where a treasure trove of images awaits, all completely free to use. Snag a stylish image that catches your eye. Next up, Envato Elements. You can score a free 7-day trial and grab some Photoshop actions that can magically transform those images into gorgeous, impressionist artwork. And guess what? Once your artwork is looking like a masterpiece, you can loop it back into Printify, ready to be sold as canvas artwork in your very own Etsy store. It's like turning a creative spark into a blazing art empire. It's Gentleman's Finance channel. Here we'll learn about different business opportunities, how to make money and invest wisely. Here you will also learn how to increase your wealth and become debt-free. All men should take care of their own finance. If you are interested in accumulating wealth and improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit a like button. Also, comment down below I subscribed and I will try to answer all of your comments. Now let's go back to the video. Alright folks, gather around because I am about to drop some knowledge on next side hustle that's so unique it will make you rethink every time you have browsed Amazon. Probably it's the easiest of all the side hustles that we discussed. Picture this. You are on Amazon, doing your thing. Maybe you just scrolling your favorite t-shirt or on a mission to find a specific product. You spot that item, you see the image, price, and maybe you even dive into the product description or reviews. Especially for those of us who love a good video review. The creators making those video reviews, they are getting paid for their efforts. Yep, you heard it right. Every time someone watches at least 30 seconds of one of these videos and then goes ahead to buy the product on Amazon, that creator's cashing in on a sweet commission from the sale. Alright, let's dive deeper into this mind-blowing opportunity. Think about it. Those Bose headphones boasting nearly 10,000 reviews. That's just a tiny fraction of the actual buyers. We are talking hundreds of thousands of purchases here, and many of these potential buyers are likely checking out video reviews before hitting that buy now button. The craziest part? Hardly anyone realizes this gold mine exists. There is practically no competition in this arena. Take those Apple AirPod Max headphones, for example. Now, imagine you step in and make that video review. Amazon shells out a 2% commission rate on electronics. Might not seem like a fortune, but let's do the math. Hypothetically, out of 100,000 sales, if 5,000 folks watched your review before buying, you could rake in about $55,000 from this one product. Wrap your head around that. Now envision having video reviews for 10, 20 or even 100 different products. And guess what? You don't need a fancy setup. Most of these reviewers are likely shooting their videos right from their smartphones. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but don't I have to buy the product to do the review? Well, here's a little secret. Buy it, review it, and then return it. Yep, it's that simple. You are not stuck with the bill, and you have just unlocked a world of potential earnings. Folks, it doesn't get much easier than this. Before we sign off, I'd like to remind you to show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge should never cease, and your support helps us continue bringing you valuable content. Until next time, my fellow financial enthusiasts, keep learning, keep growing, and keep thriving. Now, if you need to spark some more ideas for your multiple income streams, I would suggest you watch next video about how $50,000 investment in SHD ETF can generate you passive income for a lifetime.